Cookie dough cupcakes.
Stay tuned to see how to make these. Welcome to Cookie and C&J and Skylar, which is you. Tell them what we making, Skylar. She said we are making cookie dough cupcakes. Okay, what's the first thing you need to do, Sugar?
So the first thing is just
the first ingredient you need
box cake mix.
is a vanilla moist box cake mix.
So we're just gonna do the directions from the cake mix.
You need three,
Skylar?
which is 3 eggs, a cup of water, and half a cup of oil. You got a half a cup of vegetable oil. Pour it all down in there. Pour it all in there. Okay, let's put that in the sink. You have a cup of water. Okay. Now get your cake. You gotta get your cake, Sugar.
Mix the eggs a little.
So Skylar wants to mix eggs a little bit, guys. Now, what this recipe consists of, y'all, while they're doing that, so all it is a box vanilla cake mix, and then you get your, what's that in there, Mom? And then you get your cookie dough, and you will half fill this pan with vanilla mix, put the cookie dough in, and then fill the rest of the vanilla on top.
Lightly. And
bake it, and dress it with your whatever chocolate chips that you want. Carissa, you got to watch.
Thanks, guys.
Mixy, 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 mix. You mixing, Sugar? Show them mixing your cake. Stir it, stir it, stir it. You mixing it? Now, Sugar, you have to put your, here. You got to put all of these in here. Like this. See? Put them in there. There you go. She pushing down hard, ain't she? Fill all your cupcake pans up. You don't gotta push down hard, just lay it in there like that. Lay it, lay it. Lay them all in there. Here. One more. All done. Now you got to pour your cake in here. Halfway, guys. You pour your cake in halfway, guys. Wait, Shuggy!
She's gonna do it.
You gonna show them pouring your cake in?
Okay.
Go ahead.
Here.
Pour your cake in.
Pick it up. No, don't use your finger right here. It's gonna pour. Use this hand. Ready?
Halfway. Remember, pour it in halfway. Because you got to put your cookie dough in. You doing it, Sugar? Look at the camera. Clarissa, are you? I think Clarissa needs some assistance, guys.
I'm trying to, from her to get it.
Halfway, remember, Clarissa?
I'm trying. Wait, Skylar, let go. Can't do it with her.
You should have got the scoop.
Sissy, go!
Look what Sissy doing. Ah. Say stop, Sissy.
Stop, Sissy. Oh, yummy, Rita.
Kristen, that's enough. Halfway.
Trying to get a hold. Can you rub me some?
Clarissa doesn't know what halfway is, guys. I keep telling her halfway. You got to put your cookie dough in.
Just very small balls of cookie dough.
Yeah, with you, that's enough. Halfway. She still doesn't understand. Halfway.
Coming out so bad.
Scholar, say halfway.
We needed 2 things of these.
Huh?
We needed 2 of those.
Yeah. Halfway. Now, guys,
Make
You want-
little balls of dough.
get your cookie dough.
Let her drop them in.
Here you go, Sugar.
Right in the middle. You
We
don't think
have-
that's too big?
No, this is a little ball. We have our cookie dough.
Put them right in the middle, Sky.
Get closer, you can be making up some.
Let me show you. Look. Right in the middle, okay? Do all of them like that.
Look. Drop it right in the middle. Of course, I gave you some to do. Mm-hmm. Right in the middle. Clarissa gonna give you some. Right in the middle. Chris is doing something.
Here.
See it, guys? Drop them right in the middle. Right in the middle.
She's doing that
Right in the middle. While they're dropping those in the middle, I'm gonna go ahead and cover it up with the rest of the batter. After you drop your...
Oh, you cover them?
Clearly, she doesn't listen to the recipe I told her. After you drop your cookie dough in the middle, you cover it up with your rest of your cake batter. Your cupcake batter. Which I literally just gave you this talk in the car of what we was making.
Try not to get it on the edges so much. Still don't need to fill it all the way up. It's got to have room around.
Yeah, that's why I said half. Fill it up half.
Okay, but you still got to have room.
Like somebody didn't listen to what half meant.
The thing was pouring so fast I couldn't control it.
Somebody who had...
Wait a minute. Which ones have you not? You covered them up. I don't know which ones I didn't put dough in.
The ones that... Carissa, this is the only one.
Okay. That's the last one, Scott.
Right in the middle. Mm-hmm. Yeah, oh, because Sissy covered it up too much. Sissy covered it up too much. Bad Sissy.
What are we going to do with the rest of the band? Loaf?
No, I'll do a whole nother one.
That goes on after it comes out of the oven.
Okay, guys, now you want to put your
Whoa.
do your after you cover your cookie up dough, you put it in the oven on 350 for about 15. It depends on your oven, so about 15 to 20 minutes. We'll let this cook. So guys, while your cupcakes is baking, it's always good to clean up. She's washing. Scholar, tell them what you're doing. Tell them what you're doing. Say washing dishes. Cleaning up my mess.
Clean up, clean up.
Cleaning up good, baby girl.
Wash that bowl.
You washing good? Look at the camera. Say wash, wash, wash. So we have a Pillsbury cream cheese. You can see.
Tight.
Okay. Frost them.
Mama.
Okay.
Mommy.
Go ahead. Put your hand on it. Squeeze it. S for Skylar. Make a S. Ooh. That's an S. Okay, let's do a design.
Yeah.
I didn't know.
That right there. We'll do a circle.
I didn't know Clarissa was doing designs at all. Can you just do it? Yes, regular. Clarissa, you don't like the professionals.
I am.
That little bit, make it come up. Yo, I can't get. What's that? Is it really that hard?
It's.
Let me feel it. Let me see.
Hang of it.
Let me see one.
Move.
Let me do one.
I'm just getting the flow of it.
I want to see what it is. Oh, it comes out.
See, you did yours even raggedier than mine. Ah! You loading it up.
That's how you do it.
I want to do one with the flour.
Guys, when you put your cream cheese, push it down, yeah. When you put your cream cheese on it, you take your Ghirardelli chocolate. Let me show you guys. See? You got your chocolate, SemiSweet, and you put it on your cupcake. Let's go. Huh. Put it on your cupcake. See those guys? Put it on there like so.
Skylar, you gonna taste it?
You don't want
She barely eats anything. She hasn't eaten a thing all day, actually. Except for maybe 1 or 2 pieces of it.
Mm.
It's pretty.
In the middle?
The cookie.
Mm. Taste it.
Yeah.
Taste it, Skylar. You made them. You wanna taste it?
She just wants to make.
Hmm?
She just wants to make, not taste. Alright, sugar, let's tell them bye.
Bye.
Bye, Icing Gang. Remember to give this video a thumbs up. Like the video.
Amina.
Love you guys.